Welcome. I'm glad you're here with A Life Begins Now. Find a comfortable space and let's begin. Segment 1. Full body warm-up and gentle circulation. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Breathe in. Raise both arms overhead. Breathe out.
Begin to inhale, raising both arms overhead in a gentle arc, and exhale as you sweep them down in a fluid arc.
Breathe in. Arms up. Breathe out. Arms down. Continue this slow motion, following your breath. Sweep your arms back down. Breathe in. Arms up. Breathe out. Arms down. Breathe in. Arms up. Breathe out. Arms down. Segment 2. Low impact marching.
Let's begin with a very slow and gentle march in place. Keep your rhythm steady and comfortable. This is perfect for joint safety.
Begin marching gently in place. Lift your feet just a few inches. Swing your arms softly, forward and back. Keep the pace slow and comfortable. Continue marching at your own rhythm. Segment 3. Side-to-side step touches.
We're doing slow side-to-side step touches. Step right, push forward, touch. Step left, push forward, touch. Maintain this pace.
Step to the right. Touch your left foot down beside it. Step to the left. Touch your right foot down beside it. Gently push your hands forward with each step. Keep the movement smooth and steady. Continue side to side. Segment 6. Gentle high knee hand. Tap stand tall. Slowly lift one knee a few inches. Tap it gently with your opposite hand. Lower your foot down. Lift the other knee. Tap it gently with your opposite hand. Keep your movement slow and controlled. Focus on your balance. Segment 5. Seated full body cardio flow. Sit near the front of your chair. Sit up tall. Extend one leg forward. Reach the opposite arm out at the same time. When return to center, switch sides. Extend the other leg. Reach the opposite arm. Keep the movement smooth, instant, and controlled. Segment 4. Standing diagonal reach.
Let's begin a slow march in place. Gently lift your feet, swing your arms, keep it low impact and steady.
Segment 7. Gentle cool down and metabolic reset. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Breathe in deeply. Reach your arms up. Breathe out slowly. Lower your arms. Breathe in. Arms up. Breathe out. Arms down. Let your breathing slow and settle. This completes the routine.